custom machine manufacturer for mass production with craftsmanship. Daechang Machinery I&D Company Limited. 40 years of history. We are a specialized company in the development and production of plastic manufacturing machinery equipment for the optimal production process. We have numerous unique patents in extrusion blow molding machine and extrusion line. We have been certified Innovation Business and Accreditation Certificate with CE, QA System, Environmental Management System. Our perfect mold closure and durable extrusion blow molding machine ensure high efficiency and high productivity. We do our best to produce a tailored variety of high-quality extrusion line products for your safety and convenience. We pioneer the future with customers through new technology and the best service. Founded as a Daechang Machinery I&D Company Limited since 1978, it has now become an innovative extrusion blow molding machine solution. We were awarded as a promising small and medium business by KOSME in 1992 and 1998. In 2009, the Saudi and Riyadh offices were opened to expand the Middle East market. Certified as an innovative business, InnoBiz in 2014. Selected as Vision Company of Incheon City in 2015. In addition, we have established R&D departments in 2016 to strengthen our technology. Now, Daechang Machinery I&D Company Limited became one of the best extrusion blow molding machines and extrusion line in Korea. DC SBM Series, DC MLSBM Series, DC SABM Series, DC DSABM Series, PVC Window Profiles Line, HDPE Pipe Production Line, Water Discharge Hose, Interior Molding and Picture Frame. We also provide the various lines of customized blow molding, MC, and extrusion. With over 40 years of history, Daechang Machinery I&D Company Limited exports advanced technology to all over the world. Participate in various exhibitions, such as revitalizing overseas sales, finding buyers, and operating regional offices and agencies. Currently, exports account for more than 60% of sales. Perfect product production is mission of Daechang Machinery I&D Company Limited.